In this guide, we are going to show you how to sync pictures with sound on TikTok. So first things first, open up the TikTok app, then tap on the little plus icon at the bottom of your screen. This will then allow you to start creating a new video. So here's the trick. Before you select your pictures, simply select a random video. So any video will do, because we'll then delete it later. And once you've chosen a video, it's now time to pick the picture you want to sync. So simply tap on select photos, then choose your desired pictures and tap next. Then next, we can then get rid of the temporary video we added earlier. So simply tap on the video clip, then tap delete, and just like that, your pictures are the only thing left. And to adjust the length of each picture, simply tap on it and drag the slider to increase or decrease the duration. And just like that, your pictures will then sync to your sound. So that's how to sync your pictures with sound on TikTok. So thanks for watching, and if you found this insightful, please consider supporting the channel by leaving a like, a comment, and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.